Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Sheet and confirming the destination tab name exactly. This prevents broken links later. Next, insert a drawing or an image to act as the button, placing it where users expect. Once done, right-click the drawing and choose Assign Script. You will reference a short app script function that reads the tab name and activates it, so plan that function name now to keep things simple. You will now add the code that makes the button work. In app script, create a function like go to sheet, const ss equals spreadsheet app. Get active, ss. Set active sheet, ss. Get sheet by name, target tab. Replace target tab with your exact name. Save the project and run the function once to trigger the authorization flow. Grant the required permissions. Once authorized, go back to the sheet and attach the function name to the drawing via assign script, so clicks call that code. You should test the button as the final step. Click it and verify the tab activates. If it fails, run the function directly inside app script to surface permission prompts, authorize again and save. Make sure the sheet name matches exactly, including spaces in case, because get sheet by name is literal. If multiple users need access, ensure sharing settings permit script execution. Quick troubleshooting tip. Wrong sheet name is the most common error. Verify characters carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.